another video. Today is, what's today? Friday, July 12th. And I guess this will be the start of a new vlog. So I have not picked up the camera since I came back from New Orleans. I came back on Monday, July 8th. And I have not picked up the camera until today. So yeah, I just had to rest up a little bit and make sure my voice was straight because, you know, I was screaming, not screaming, but my voice kind of was a little lost a little bit. But welcome to another video. I'm so glad to be here. And I'm going to probably do a get to know me video because I have not done one of those. And I know that I used to post content about NACA. I kind of want to, you know, do a get to know me video, just telling you a few things about me and things like that. So pretty soon I'll be doing that just so you guys can get to know a little bit more about me. So I'm in my office. I just kind of had to clean it up. It was kind of a mess because of the way I left it. I wasn't worried about it before I left New Orleans, and I wasn't worried about it when I came back. And so I have to get ready to do another vlog, another DIY. And I need my office clean, like organized, stuff put away, not all over the place. And so for the most part, it's just about there. So we good. But what was I about to say? Yeah, okay, that's what it was. So remember in a few vlogs back, I think it may have been 2 vlogs, that I was telling you guys about the date night jar. So tomorrow is date night for my husband and I, and so I'm going to take the jar downstairs to him and let him pull out one of the papers to see what it is that we're going to be doing tomorrow. I love the suspense. I love being able to just not have to go back and forth about what it is that we want to do. With the date night jar, it's just going to be you go in the jar, pick it out, and that's what we're going to do, hopefully. And y'all, I'm trying to get the hang of looking in the camera like how I'm doing now. I know I look over to the left or to the right or above the camera, but I am still, you know, kind of shy of as far as vlogging, and so I'm trying to get the hang of looking in the lens. Bear with me. Okay, it's time to pick out what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to give the jar to my husband so he can go in the jar and pick it out. So go ahead and read what it says on the, let's see what we got. What does it say?
Museum.
Let me see. So it says museum. So here in Atlanta, they have a lot of different museums, a lot of different ones. So there's several that we could choose from. So what I'll do is I'll go online tonight and see what the prices are for some of the ones that I've been hearing about. But for now, that's what we're going to be working with. So, but I have to go to the store to get a few things for my DIY. When I get back to the house, then I'll do a little vlogging so you can see the process of me getting set up for my DIY, and I'll give you a little behind the scenes of my DIY. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, so it is hours later. I saw something on TikTok that I wanted to try, and where is it? Hold on one second. Okay, so I saw this new trend on TikTok regarding your Crocs. These are my Crocs. This is my very first pair of Crocs. Never had a pair before. Never. So I saw this thing on TikTok where the girls are using hair scrunchies and they're placing them on this strap. So they're cutting the scrunchie and then they're taking the strap loose, because this strap does come loose, and then they're sliding the scrunchie onto the strap just to kind of decorate it a little bit. So I was like, I want to try it. You know, first pair of Crocs, really don't wear them too often, but just to give it a little bit of pizzazz, or you know, whatever, spruce it up a little bit. So I'm getting ready to try that right now. I'm getting ready to record it on my cell phone for a reel, and then I'm also going to try to show you guys what I'm doing as well. So let's go. here is the finished result, and it looks so cute. Oh my gosh. It doesn't even look like the same pair of Crocs. It looks so cute with the charms added on. Okay, now I can definitely wear these. I was wearing them a little bit before, but now I will definitely rock these. So my DIY turned out perfect, and it only took a matter of minutes, maybe 20 minutes at the most to do both pair. So yeah, I like them.